देशमा साक्षरताको कमी छ रे के हाँस उठ्यो मलाई शहरदेखि गाउँसम्म विद्यालय नै विद्यालय त्यही पनि साक्षरताको कमी छ भन्छन् बा तर आज सदनमै यस्तो प्रत्यक्ष उदाहरण देखेपछि मान्नै पर्यो शिक्षा मात्र भएर पर्याप्त रहेनछ विवेकको पनि अभाव रहेछ अब नबुझ्नेहरूलाई विजडम के विजडम बेसिक लजिक थाहा छैन होला अब नेपाल आर्मी र सुरक्षाको लागि प्रदान गरिएको जमिनलाई ल्यान्ड ग्राबिङ भन्छन् भने यिनीहरूले सोधेको प्रश्नको उत्तर मैले दिइहाले भने पनि के नै बुझ्लान् र अब त्यही पनि त्यत्रो ब्लड बीपी सुगर सब हाई गरेर मेटिकुलसली रिसर्च गरेको प्रश्नहरूको उत्तर नदिँदा सानो चित्त दुख्ने पो हो कि अब चित्तको त मतलब मलाई थिएन तर आफ्नो कर्तव्यको कुरा आउँदाखेरि सभा सदस्यले एकदम मायाका साथ सोधेको प्रश्नहरूको उत्तर दिइहालौँ न त On army recruitment process, opposition claims that army recruitment is influenced by politics. My goodness, but do they even know what they're talking about? The recruitment process is strictly professional, transparent, and free from any political influence. Today's army recruitment process is completely based on merit. We're focusing on building a stronger, more capable army rooted in the true values of our nation. We've completely refined our system to ensure fairness and competence, something the opposition clearly doesn't understand or is too embarrassed to understand. And murder of 2 military officers. अब राष्ट्रिय अफिसर्सहरूको मृत्युलाई त आफ्नो स्वार्थको लागि सम्मान नगर्नेहरूले मलाई मुख बिगारी बिगारी राजीनामा दे भन्ने के अधिकार छ खै फेरि डिफेन्सको अर्थ रे हँसाउँछन् बिहान बिहान संसद हँसाउँछु भनेर आएका छन् क्या हो आज डिफेन्स मिनिस्टरलाई नै डिफेन्सको अर्थ सोध्छु वाह मेरो लागि त ब्रेकिङ न्युज भन्ने भयो त तर लेट्स मेक one thing clear. The Ministry of Defense, along with law enforcement, has worked tirelessly to investigate these deaths, following all leads and gathering evidences and whatnot. We've allocated significant resources to uncover the truth and bring justice, and we won't stop until we do. On smuggling across the borders. Oh, the opposition suddenly cares about border security. How touching. How sweet of you to suddenly care about border security. Maybe you should have held off that concern for a while, considering it's about a decade too late. Today, we have taken serious measures, strengthening border patrols and upgrading surveillance technologies. We've been closely working with international agencies to curb illegal activities, and our efforts are already showing results. Our focus is to protect Nepal's border and sovereignty, and we are doing it very effectively. And calling Nepal a smuggle land coming from the opposition that was recently caught in a sugar smuggling case? My goodness, interesting. Okay, perhaps you should stop calling the country a smuggling hub when you yourself acted as the best supplier for these illegal activities. On the Nepal Army's involvement in land grabbing. अब यसको र विपक्षको meticulous research को बारेमा त हामीले सुरुमै हल्का कुरा गर्यौं तर अब अझै राम्रोसँग बुझौं है त. The lands in question are strategic military zones reserved for national defense and long-term stability. These areas are very crucial for Nepal's security and will help ensure we are prepared for any future challenges. यस्तो baseless claims गरेर पाउँछ चाहिँ के? हुन त किन नपाउनु व्यक्तिगत स्वार्थ हैन त I urge the opposition to recognize that national security is not an issue to politicize but a shared responsibility. हैन आज 81 राष्ट्रिय प्रेम कहाँबाट आउँछ के भने हुन्छ नि देशलाई चाहिएको बेला त मुसाले बिरालो देखे झै लुकेको थियो के रे 81 आज यस्तो राष्ट्रिय भक्त भइदिएको अम्मै यत्रो चिन्ता लिएर त कस्तो गाह्रो पर्यो होला है तिमीहरुलाई तर बुझिराख्नुहोस् true leadership means offering real solutions and standing firm in the face of adversity. If the opposition is capable of anything more than shouting baseless questions from across the aisle, the nation is still waiting. Right Honorable Speaker, through you, I would like to wrap up by saying, हाम्रो ढाल अटल छ कसैको वारले चर्कदैन हाम्रो साहस हिमाल सरी आँधीले पनि हल्ल्याउँदैन सीमाना हाम्रो फलामको छिनालले आँट कसको छ रगतले लेखेको इतिहास मेट्न सक्ने हिम्मत कसको छ तिमी अरू जस्तो कमजोर इतिहासमै हराउँछौ सुनेको छ होला नि सिंहसँग लड्न जाने बाख्रा कहिले फर्केर आउँदैन Thank you so much honorable officials and distinguished members of this assembly